Hey folks, welcome to another episode of SEM Sessions. This is a raw, uncut, unedited video series where we teach you how you can attract, convert, and retain more customers to your brand through search marketing. I'm your host, Riley Farbaugh. Also with me on the podcast is Nate Boland. Say hello, Nate.
Hello.
Today we are filming a couple of videos. This video is why you should use Google Tag Manager. We're going to give you 5 solid reasons why your website should have Google Tag Manager installed. What is Google Tag Manager? Nate, do you want to take a stab at that before we get into why you should use it?
So to my understanding, Google Tag Manager is sort of a platform we deploy other Google-based services such as analytics or Search Console. Basically a brief understanding of it. Obviously, you can go more in depth by going into, I think they're called triggers, if somebody submits a form.
Yeah, so we'll get into kind of the capabilities of Google Tag Manager and how to supplement Google Analytics using it. The way that Nate and I use Google Analytics is often deploying other Google products, the way that we use Google Tag Manager is often by deploying other Google properties like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google Ads. Really what the system is for is deploying JavaScript code. So rather than inserting JavaScript into your HTML source code, you're inserting a small bit of JavaScript, which then calls other JavaScript from your container, and that it's actually faster because it's one request to get the JavaScript rather than 10 or however many tags you have. So that's kind of what it is and what it does. 5 reasons you should use it, coming up right here. Ready? Reason number 1, it makes tag management easier and improves the accuracy of Google Analytics. Reason number 2, it's easy to create events by firing tags on certain triggers. So when I say events there, those are events in Google Analytics which you can track, you can create goals out of them, etc. We'll talk about that more down the line in one of these next few videos. Reason number 3, it decreases your text to HTML ratio, also known as code bloat, by eliminating JavaScript from the source code. Reason number 4, you're decreasing server requests for JavaScript and improving your site load times. Reason number 5, you can allow third parties like Nate and myself to control your tags without actually giving them access to your source code. There's probably a few more reasons that we could think of and talk about, but we'll redo this video in 3 years when we feel like we have to do that. All right, catch us on the next episode of this series. Again, this is our Christmas series, if you can't tell. And we do have several more episodes coming out today, so stay tuned.